step, every road, every single trace. Analyzing, try to figure out those lines up on your face. You're still a mystery, those secrets kept away from me. Those doors are closed, closed, closed. How can you make the fire burn so brightly when you're so cold, cold, cold?
This is one of multiple videos discussing regular expressions. Another regular expression is a star. This matches 0 or more sequences of the character preceding the star or asterisk. It also acts as a wildcard for matching any number of characters. So 5 star matches any occurrence of the number 5 including none. This matches the character 18 dot, because we're escaping the special meaning of this value, and any characters that follow 18. So on a switch in my GNS3 topology, if I type show run pipe include user dot star, that includes all lines that have user followed by 0 or more characters. So this is looking for any character repeated 0 or more times. If we did this, we get that output. That's looking for use followed by 0 or more occurrences of R. So we don't want 0 or more occurrences of R, we want user followed by 0 or more occurrences of something. So we get output like that. Now in Python we can do something similar. So let me show you some Python theory. On the Python documentation page, they talk about regular expression syntax. It's very similar to what you'll find on Cisco. Dot in default mode matches any character except a new line. Star or asterisk causes the resulting regular expression to match 0 or more repetitions of the preceding regular expression, as many repetitions as are possible. So this matches A, AB, or A followed by any number of B's. So again, user dot star gives us that, but user star gives us that. Notice we have 0 or more occurrences of the letter R. Okay, so cat regex3.py. Here's a Python script that I've created, and we are searching for user.star, just like we did on the Cisco IOS here. So again, we should, if our Python script works properly, see this information returned. So I'll run the script, Python regex3.py. And notice that's what's returned. Now the great thing about regular expressions is you can use show commands to test things. Before you add them to scripts or to BGP statements. So as an example, looking at regular expressions in BGP, in this example, notice they've got a permit dot star that permits anything. So they've got an IP access path access list 1 deny. An underscore means space. 4 is the digit 4 and end of line. And then this matches anything else. So this is like a permit any. So they are denying BGP advertisements from this neighbor. So inbound from that neighbor based on this IP autonomous system path access list. So here they are denying all routes that originate in autonomous system 4, and then they are permitting all other routes. So this is denying all BGP advertisements that originate from autonomous system 4, but then they are permitting everything else. Now you can test that kind of thing in the CLI again by typing show run pipe include, and let's include E. That'll show me all lines that have E in them, and as you can see there are many lines. If I say E $, that shows me all lines that end in E. In this case only control plane. If I type show run, we can see a whole bunch of lines. Let's look for lines that end in 0. So firstly, without the $, that's all lines that include 0, such as this line here and this line here. But if we say $0, that's all lines that end in 0. So notice all of these lines end in a 0. If we say space $0, that's all lines that have a space, then a 0, and then end of line. So notice space 0, end of line. That's different to what we saw over here. Here we weren't looking for a space. Here we were just looking for lines that end in 0, but now we're looking for lines that end in space 0. And that's what they're doing here. They're looking for all BGP advertisements that originate from Autonomous System 4. If you look at BGP routing tables, you'll notice that the autonomous system that a route originates from is at the end. So notice they don't say $4, they say space $4, because otherwise you would match autonomous system numbers like 65,004 or 1004 and so forth and so on. Now in subsequent videos I'll continue talking about various regular expressions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you all the very best.